Back to another YouTube video. Here comes the ScotRail Class 153 bike train approaching Garelochhead station on Sunday the 20th of June. Oh my god, it's really nice. Lovely train. And there's your 156 on the behind. I'm gonna walk up. Oh, I'm gonna walk up the platform. Beautiful train. Oh my god, I've seen it on YouTube, but I've not actually seen it in real life. So this is a normal 156. It's a beautiful 156, and it is 156492 up there. That's not the important part, that's just a 156. The most important part is up here. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And here's the 15, oh my god, here's the 153. And that is beautiful. Oh my god, look at the nice yellow colour on that. Oh, and there's the interior. Whoa. That is amazing. Oh, the windows are still, these windows are, oh, look at the colours. The interior. Oh wow. That's just amazing. It's amazing, YouTube. Look at that. Oh, it's got the same destinations as the 156. Oh my god. God. What's shaking with excitement? Got the exact same destination. Let's go, it's about to depart. Garelochhead, here it goes. Here it goes, brand new 156. 153, sorry. Here's a 156, I don't really care about. Don't really care about the 156 anymore. Oh god, making me shake that sound.